Ayan, good evening, Ascenders! Type 1 naman kung naririnig nyo ako dyan sa mga location nyo. Pa-type 1 po, rinig po ba ako? Ayan, thank you kay Miss Elena. Thank you po. Ayan, good evening sa inyong lahat. Nakauwi na ba ang lahat? At Friday na naman, napaka-traffic po. At kakauwi ko lang din po sa bahay. Ayan, type 1 nga kung nakauwi na, tas type 2 sa mga stuck pa sa traffic, nasa office pa, kumakain sa labas. Ayan, hello po. Ayan, nakauwi na yung iba. Meron bang mga stuck pa dyan sa traffic? Type 2 naman, no? Mga hindi pa nakauwi, yung mga nasa office pa. Ayan, kakauwi lang din ni Miss Elena. Same tayo, ma'am. Pag Friday talaga, Diyos ko, grabe ang traffic. Ayan. Pa-type naman po ako kung saan po nakakaabot ang ating forum tonight. Pa-type in po ng location nyo. Ayan, good evening kay Sir Yudi Romeo from Sabah, Malaysia. Grabe talaga ang Ascendra, pang international talaga, oh. Ayan, from Makati, hello po Miss Jane. Meron din tayong from Abu Dhabi, hello po Miss Clarice. Good evening po from Philippines. Ayan, meron ding from Hong Kong. Grabe, puro international pala yung nasa Zoom meeting natin. Watching from Kuwait, watching from Vienna, Austria. Ayan, shout out kay Sir Ray from Caloocan. Hello po. Ayan. Keep on sharing po yung link natin for tonight. Send nyo po sa mga chat rooms nyo para dumagdag pa po yung participants natin. Ayan, watching from Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Watching from Cotabato. Watching from Laguna, Rizal. Ayan, ang dami po. Hindi ko na po maisa-isa lahat. Ayan po. Kumain na po ba ang lahat? Type 1 po sa mga nakapag-dinner na. Para po sa mga hindi pa nagdi-dinner, mamaya na po kayo kumain. Makinig po muna kayo dito. Ayan, nakapag-dinner na sila Miss G, Miss Arnesa. Ayan. Ano kayang dinner nyo? Pa-type naman, no, kung anong kinain nyo. Ako kinain ko pork chop. Sarap. Hindi pa kumain si Sir Erwin. Mamaya ka na kumain, Sir Erwin. Manood ka muna dito sa ating forum for tonight. So, ayan. Without further ado, my name is A.E. Mendoza and I'm your host for tonight. And yung ipapakilala ko sa inyo na presenter natin, estudyante to, 20 years old na student. Yes po, tama po ang narinig nyo. Estudyante po ang ating presenter for tonight. At hindi lang to basta estudyante, mga ma'am, sir, kasi raketero din po to. Na-try na po na ito lahat. Magtinda sa palengke, magtinda sa food bazaar. Alam nyo po yung mga pinupuntahan nyo kapag may November 1, may mga bilihan po sa mga sementeryo. Na-try niya na pong magtinda dyan. And ngayon po, nagpa-part-time din po siya sa Ascendra. Napakahusay po na itong presenter natin for tonight. Excited na ba kayong malaman kung sino to? Type 1 po para sa mga excited ng malaman. Type excited pala, type excited. Para sa mga excited malaman kung sino ang, ayun no, excited na si Miss Mary Jane, Sir Erwin, Sir John Del, Miss Arnesa. Ayan. Watching anong ulam ni Sir ay malunggay na may sardin. Ay, napakasarap naman po niyan, Miss Mary Jane. Sarap ng sardinas. Ayan, good evening po. Shoutout sa ating 71 na participants. Hello po. Ayan. Tapos itong presenter natin, isa din to sa mga nakahit ng ating gadget incentive, yung 25K. Isa to sa mga nag-shopping. Alam nyo ba, kwento ko lang. Nung nag-shopping kami nung araw na yon, hindi alam kung anong bibilin. Hindi alam saan uubusin yung pera. Magsasara na lang yung mall na pabili pa ng drum set. Grabe, 'di ba? Ganyan kay Ascendra, mabibili mo lahat ng mga gusto mo. Imagine mo binigyan kang 25K, hindi mo alam saan mo kukunin. Sasakit talaga ulo mo, may 25K ka, gagastusin mo na lang, di mo pa alam kung saan mo kukunin eh. I mean, kung saan mo bibilin eh. Pasensya. Ayan, good evening po kay Sir Tay Jonel from Angono, Rizal. Ayan. Opo, sir, nakikita ko po from Angono po kayo. Pinagtad tayo ni Sir from Angono. Hello po. Ayan, so pakilala ko na sa inyo. Eto na, ang ating presenter tonight ay isang estudyante, raketero, tindero. Walang iba kundi si Sir Sean La Chica. Baklap naman po, virtual clap.
Recording in progress.
Yan. Hello. Grabe naman yung energy. Grabe. Ang wild nyo naman po sa chat. Ang layo pala nang naabot ng forum natin, no? By the way guys, di po namin kayo niloloko. Estudyante po talaga ako. Mukha lang pong 3 na yung anak, pero promise, estudyante pa po ko. Ayan. So, I'd like to welcome you all here sa ating forum. Thank you for taking your time even though it's a Friday, pagod na pagod lahat, galing sa work, galing sa school, galing sa kung saan-saan man. Yet, you have the time to allot para dito sa ating forum. Well, di naman kayo magsisisi dahil itong forum, this will open your world. Literal. Dahil yung opportunity na to, opportunities like this comes only once in a lifetime. And of course, as people, kailangan talaga natin i-grab every opportunity na meron at ibibigay sa atin. So, ayan, so welcome to Ascendra International Forum. So ito po, it's a forum. Our plan is to educate. Our plan is to educate you about the new way of doing business, about our mastery, and of course, moving forward, we would like you to have knowledge about our opportunity, and of course, may mapulot rin kayo about yung financial literacy natin. Okay, so enough about me, enough about sa makulit nating host kanina. Kayo, di naman kami importante dito eh. Of course, kayo yung importante dito. So, of course, sa mga taong importante, may importanteng tanong kami para sa inyo. And that is, gusto mo bang umasenso? Kadalasan, itong tanong na to is nakakalimutan eh kasi masyado ng cliche nga tinatawag nila. Pero in reality, kailangan natin binabalik-balikan yung tanong na to. Kasi at some point in our life, nawawalan talaga tayo ng gana eh. Okay? So, kailangan mo balikan yung why mo. And you want is nga mag-success. Gusto mo umasenso. And yung asenso, it's not just about financial eh. It's not just about money. It's not just about panggastos, but also there are other aspects of success. And eto, si Ascendra, merong dinedefine na meaning ng success, mga aspect ng success. Kasama na dyan yung knowledge and skills, yung health, and of course, yung alam natin lahat na financial. According to Ascendra, eto, i-focus mo lang yung 3 aspeto ng buhay mo na to. And sasucceed ka rin sa lahat ng aspects. Mapa-relationship, mapa-experiences, impact, etc. So, here, Ascendra is giving you solutions how to ascend, how to succeed in these 3 aspects of your life. Knowledge and skills, health, and financial. Okay? Now, gusto mo umasenso. Pero yung tanong, gusto mo bang umasenso mag-isa? Or gusto mo umasenso na may kasama? Nang may ka-partner? Okay? Sino dito yung gusto mag-abroad, gustong mag-travel sa ibang bansa na mag-isa lang? Walang taga-buhat ng bag mo, wala kang taga-tulong, wala kang taga-picture. Diba? Wala, diba? So, of course, kung sino yung mga tao na gustong may kasama when it comes to the struggle, sila yung mga tao na deserve na may kasama when it comes to the success. Now, here sa Ascendra, kami ang kapartner mo sa pag-asenso. Ang partner mo sa pag-asenso. Nandito kami kasi not everyone has the privilege to be with people na has the same drive, merong same knowledge. Ngayon si Ascendra, we are giving that to you. Okay, so the company, Ascendra, is here to be your partner sa pag-asenso. And of course, kikilalanin natin yung mga tao behind Ascendra. So pinakauna dyan, si Miss Francesca Fugen, ng ating Chief Financial Officer, CFO. Ma'am says has been a serial entrepreneur, meaning sobrang daming negosyo, sobrang experience. Okay? At a young age, 34 years old, ang dami na tayong negosyo. She has the right experience when it comes to managing people and managing finances. Pangalawa, si Sir Miko Imson, the COO, Chief Operations Officer. Sir Miko Imson has been in the industry for more than a decade. And sa previous company, siya yung nagtayo ng insurance department. And now, here sa Ascendra, siya rin nagtayo ng sa atin. Okay? And of course, other than that, he has very extensive experience when it comes to operations. Next is si Sir Jurgen. Okay, ang pogi na to. Ang ating CEO, si Sir si Sir Jurgen, ang ating CEO. He has been in the industry for more than 3 decades. 30 years. Okay? He has been a distributor for 15 years and another 15 years as the vice president of the previous company. Sobrang extensive rin ng experience na to all around. Yung tawag lang sa kanya ng mga tao, the encyclopedia of the industry. And lastly, of course, ito kilala nyo to from social media. He's an influencer. Si Sir Joseph Lim, ang ating CSO, Chief Strategy Officer. So siya naman, he's been in the industry for more than 2 decades. Okay, 22 years. And he will be the one to guide us with the strategies, the proper strategies, how to succeed. Now, itong mga to, they will be yung frontline, pinaka-frontline, magiging partner yung sa pag-asenso. And other than them, of course, kasama mo ang buong Ascendra. And with the whole Ascendra and with the founders, okay, magtutulungan-tulungan tayo. Magtutulungan talaga tayo when it comes to doing business. And of course, itong framework na ginawa nila, which is yung improvement, independence, and innovation, this will help us in doing our business. So isa-isayin natin. Yung pinakauna sa framework is yung improvement. So si Ascendra, tinutulungan kanya maging MVP ng buhay mo. Lahat naman dito familiar sa MVP, di ba? Type mo naman dyan MVP. Ayan. So pagdating sa basketball, di ba? Yung MVP, siya yung pinakamay kwenta. Siya yung pinakadama sa court. Kung pumasok siya, takot lahat sa kanya. Dahil alam nila siya yung pinakamagaling. So, with that, yung MVP dapat dama siya. Ito yung tanong. Dama ka ba sa sarili mong buhay? Dama ka ba ng mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo? Okay? Now, with Ascendra, they will teach us how to be the MVP of our own lives. Pero paano? Through MVP. To be a most valuable player, you need to have mastery, vitality, and protection. So let's go first with the mastery. So ito, si Ascendra, nilatag na talaga nila. Because with the mastery, we will have structured learning. Okay? Parang sa school lang yan eh. Di naman pwedeng grade 1 ka, tapos grade 5 ka agad. No. They will give us the proper materials, the proper learnings, and sunod-sunod na yung tipo na hindi tayo malilito. Yung hindi tayo sasabog. Kasi when it comes to this industry, and kahit sa school, okay? Ang daming binabato sa'yo ng mga materials, ang daming binabato sa'yo ng mga lecture. Yung problema, di mo alam para saan yun. So hindi mo nakikita yung value. Now, with structured learning, sunod-sunod yung aaralin mo. Sunod-sunod yung learnings na papasok sa'yo. You will appreciate, you will see value, the true value in the materials that they will give. Now, after that, of course, tuturuan ka how to grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4 up until such time na once na natuto ka na, once na you've proven yourself talaga, you can have the opportunity to become a partner of the company. Later, I will explain this, okay? So, hindi ka lang distributor, hindi ka lang hindi ka lang seller, but also you will become a partner of the company. Next is ang ating vitality. So vitality means health. This is the solution of Ascendra when it comes to the aspect of health. Okay? So the first one is Omega Life. This is the flagship product of Ascendra. Okay? Flagship meaning ito yung pinakaalas natin. Because if you're going to check the market right now, Omega 3, pati Omega 6 lang. Okay? But this is the first full spectrum Omega in the market. Ang Omega Life Salmon Oil. At saka ito pa, if you're going to check 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, kasama yung Omega 7. And if you're going to consult sa doctors, napaka-rare ng ingredient na yan. Okay? Madalang lang talaga yung mga capsule, mga salmon oil na merong Omega 7. So here, kompleto na and all-in-one na talaga siya. And isa pa, yung experience ng mga tao when it comes to consuming fish oil, salmon oil, sobrang lansa. Here with Ascendra, ang ating Omega Life, ang ating salmon oil, ay merong delayed release Optigel. Meaning, if you're going to consume the supplement, hindi agad siya matutunaw. Matutunaw lang siya kung nakaabot na sa basta dito, nakaabot na doon. And if dumighay ka, hindi amoy isda. So yun talaga yung pinakahinahanap ng mga tao. And lastly, when it comes to omegas, sobrang kailangan talaga to ng mga katawan natin because omegas, hindi yan kaya i-produce ng katawan natin. So we really need to take them externally. Okay? So next one is yung barley. Yung best barley. Skip muna tayo dun tayo sa pinaka-last. Yung best barley, this is the pure barley. So this is sourced from Australia. And of course, sobrang pure ng barley natin. Compared to other barleys in the industry, atin yung pinakamarami. Okay? 3.5 grams. And lastly, ang ating barley fusion. Yung barley fusion natin, basically ito lang rin yung best barley natin. Ito rin yung pure barley. Pero merong added glutathione, merong added na collagen, and fenugreek, which is another superfood. So with barley and with fenugreek, pinagsama sila sa isang drink. Ay nako, sobrang healthy mo na. And lastly, etong tatlong to, these are drop shipping ready. Okay? If kayo hindi kayo familiar sa drop shipping, sige, compare natin sa isang traditional na business. Sa isang kung magtatayo ka ng negosyo, usually kukuha ka ng stock mo muna, 'di ba? So pupunta ka ng Divisoria. Mamimili ka ng mga mura. Uuwi mo sa inyo. Ngayon, if may customer, if may client, ipapadala mo sa kanila Lalamove, LBC, etc. Now with the drop shipping system, lahat 'yan mawawala na. Quality of life changes. So here, if may client ka, yung company na mismo yung magpapadala sa client sa client mo ng product. Okay? So yung product hindi na kailangan dumaan sa iyo. So hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa Divisoria, nakasave ka ng time, nakasave ka ng energy, and of course ng expenses. Kasi kung pumunta ka diyan, hindi lang naman transportation eh. Kakain ka pa, napagod ka, 'di ba? So, sobrang quality of life changes talaga. Ayan. So, next one is yung ating protection. So, ito naman yung solution natin when it comes to financial. Protection? Financial? Alam ko yung iniisip mo. Yung karamihan kasi, alam nila, when it comes to financial, it's just about generating money. Yung nakakalimutan nila is kailangan rin natin i-protect yung money na nag-generate natin. Protect how? Through basic accident insurance. Okay. So here sa Ascendra, we offer accident insurance. Ibig sabihin po ng AI na yan is accident insurance. Okay. So for only 5,000 pesos, you'll get covered up to 1.5 million. Okay. Sobrang laki ng benefit na makukuha mo just for 5,000. And yung 5,000 na yan, that's yearly, annually. Isang bayad lang, hindi monthly. Dahil yung ibang mga insurance na nakikita nyo, di na magbabanggit ng company, monthly binabayad dyan dahil investment talaga binibili mo dyan. Ito, straight lang talaga insurance. Wala nang tinatawag na investment. Next is yung accident due to motorcycling. Ito, sobrang ganda nito dahil kung mag-check kayo sa market ngayon, madalang lang yung insurance nung cover ng motorcycling accident. Bakit? Dahil sobrang risky. And alam niyo naman dito sa Pilipinas, lahat may motor, ang daming may motor. Kamote pa lahat. 'Di ba? Ako, aminado ako diyan. Last January accident ako sa motorcycle. Pero yung problema, wala akong insurance noon. Pero natuto na ako, ayan, naka-insure na ako with Ascendra Premium Accident Insurance. Ayan, so next one is yung ating unlimited 24/7 teleconsult. Ito yung yung tipo na magpapa-check up ka kahit na nasa bahay ka lang. Paano? So, etong ating unlimited 24/7 teleconsult, ito yung mga nauso ng pandemic. Kasi kahit nasa bahay ka lang, makapagpa-check up ka. Kasi di naman lahat nakakalabas noon dahil sobrang risky talaga. Now, with the teleconsult, isang tawag lang, may sasagot sa'yo na doktor pati nurse, and makapagpa-check up ka. And ito, it's not just sa accident Kung sumakit yung ulo mo, check up ka. Sumakit yung paa mo, check up ka. Wag lang heartbroken, mga buwisit. So, ito, yung kagandahan dito, it's fully digitalized. Meaning, streamlined na yung process. Up to from the activation up to the claiming, wala nang kailangan na pirmahan na papeles, wala nang pila-pila. It's all digitalized. Yan. So, here naman yung pinaka enrollment packages ni Ascendra. So, like school, may tinatawag tayo na enrollment fee, 'di ba? And yun kasi it's part of the energy exchange. Hindi mo, number one, hindi mo mabavalue yung kinukuha mo kung walang kapatid na energy in exchange. And pangalawa, yung mga trainings, yung mga mentorship, and of course, yung mga products, all-in-one na dyan. So makita nyo, may 5 packages si Ascendra, starting packages. Para madali maintindihan, that's just A to E. A, B, C, D, E. Associate, Builder, Consultant, Director, Executive. Tingnan natin yung executive. So, makita mo may 3 dyan. MVP, MV, and MP. So, etong MP, yung pinakababa, that's for people who want to focus on the insurance part. They want to sell insurance, they want to insure their family. And yung P naman na yan, that's protection. Yung M, that's the mastery part. So, you also have access to the learnings of Ascendra. MV means mastery and vitality. This is for people who want to focus on drop shipping, who want to use the products for themselves. So, and lastly, MVP. Halo-halo lahat. Mastery, vitality, and protection. This is for people who want to try the best of both worlds. Number one, makukuha nila yung access dun sa accident insurance natin. Number two, sa vitality products natin, pwede sila mag-dropship. And lastly, is yung mastery. They will have access to our structured learning. And by the way, di ko ata na-mention kanina, ang mastery part natin, nag-next level na. Meron na tayong learning hub. For now, meron tayong website. So if you become a partner of Ascendra, you will have access to our structured learning through the mobile app and the website. Ayan. So, we're done with improvement. Alam na natin paano solusyon yung knowledge and health. That is through mastery. Alam na natin paano solusyon yung health. That is through vitality. And alam na natin protektahan yung finances natin through protection. Okay? So now, let's move on dun sa independence. So here, Ascendra wants you to learn about financial independence. And here, we teach people na there should be 3 accounts. Number 1 is essential. Number 2, expansion and enjoyment. So ano ba tong essential, expansion and enjoyment na to? So yung pinakauna is yung essential account. 50% dapat ng kinikita mo, ideally 50% dapat ng kinikita mo is napupunta sa essential. So this includes rent, this includes your maintenance, this includes yung mga utilities. Next one is yung expansion account. 40% dapat ng income mo is naka-allot dito. This is for savings, emergency fund, investment. Paano mo papalakiin yung pera mo? And lastly, yung enjoyment, yung luho. Ito yung para sa pangbili mo ng alak, pwede naman ganun, pambili mo ng car, pang travel mo, and of course, yung mga wants, okay? Ngayon, with that, doon lang naman nanggagaling yung mga problema ng mga Pinoy eh. So bakit nga ba nagkakaroon ng financial problem? Number one, hindi sapat yung essential account. Yung mga karamihan ng mga taong natulungan natin is miski pambili ng lunch or sabihin natin dinner for their family, hindi nila magawa. And sobrang sakit talaga nun. So here yun talaga yung pinaka number one na problem when it comes to Filipino families. Number two, walang sapat na emergency fund. Oo, sige, sapat yung pang-araw-araw nyo. Yung problema, sapat lang. Sagad na. Ngayon, yung problema, what if may nangyari? What if? Diba? Now, dyan pumapasok yung mga emergency fund and savings. Yung problema, most Filipinos wala niyan. And lastly, number three, mas inuuna yung enjoyment kaysa needs. Tama naman na dapat paminsan nag-enjoy tayo, we spend something for ourselves, pero dapat inuuna pa rin natin yung mga needs kaysa sa wants. Ito yung mga tipo na na Boracay now, pansit canton later. So yun, kailangan natin baguhin yan. Paano? So ito, mga solution na provide ni Ascendra for you. Ano ba yung unang problema? So, pinakaunang problema, hindi sapat ang essential account. So, yung solution ni Ascendra dyan is palakihin or dagdagan yung cash flow. Dagdagan yung essential account mo. Ngayon, paano? Isa lang yan, simple lang yan. Sales or pagbebenta. Sales lang. Benta na naman. Ito sales is the only skill you need to survive in this world. Okay? Kahit na anong ibenta mo, kikita ka eh. That's the power of sales. Sabihin natin kahit na wala kang binebenta na tangible product. Sabihin natin na pumapasok ka sa isang trabaho. Kung ini-interview ka, binebenta mo yung sarili mo para i-accept ka nila. Sa mga employees dyan, binebenta mo yung oras mo, yung energy mo sa boss mo. For your energy, for money. Now, here sa Ascendra, simple lang naman Magbebenta tayo ng number one, yung enrollment packages, and number two, yung products and services. So, ito yung enrollment packages na to, ito yung nakita nyo kanina, A to E. So, if people want to learn, they want to dive into the world of business, they can get yung enrollment packages natin. Or number two, if they want to protect themselves, they want to become healthy, we sell them products and services. Ayan. So, pinakauna is of course yung mga na-mention ko kanina. First is yung vitality, pangalawa is yung protection. Dito muna tayo sa vitality, yung Omega Life, Best Barley, and Barley Fusion. Sobrang laki ng gross profit natin when it comes to this. Karamihan kasi, when it comes to direct selling, kung nagbebenta, yung pinaka-commission ng mga tao is only 25% below. Yung kagandahan sa Ascendra, it's 45 to 50%. Meaning, kung nakabenta, tingnan niyo yung Omega Life. If you can sell a product worth 3,200, yung commission mo dun is 1,600 pesos. And again, this is drop shipping ready. Sabihin natin nasa Cebu ka. May kliyente ka sa Maynila. Mapapadala mo nang hindi mo na kailangan lumabas, hindi mo na kailangan hawak-hawak yung produkto. Yung company na mismo yung magpapadala dun sa client mo, sa bibili, sa gusto mo tulungan. Same goes with Best Barley and Barley Fusion. It's just about positioning your product. Kasi of course, some of you may say na marami ng barley sa market. Yun nga marami ng barley sa market. Meaning, marami ng consumer ng barley. All we need to do is make them realize na our barley is better. Okay? We just need to position ourselves. Position the product. Kasi every 6 months, may bagong ingredient na lumalabas and tayo yung pinakabago sa market. Meaning we have all the new ingredients. Yung pinaka the best formula. Next is ang ating accident insurance. If you can sell accident insurance, you help one life, you have a commission of 1,000 to 100 to 1,100 1,000 to 1,700 pesos. That's just for one person. Okay? Sabihin mo naman diyan products and services. Ayan, type mo product and services. Ngayon, pangalawa is yung mga enrollment packages. Okay, so here if you offer the business to other people, if they become interested and they become part of the company, you will have a referral bonus, yung tinatawag natin na direct referral bonus. So, let's check dito sa executive. If you're an executive and you were able to get an executive, that's 40,000 pesos. Okay? Just for one person. Now, if you're a executive and you get a director, pababa na pababa, yung pinaka full commission is when you are an executive. Basta kung ano yung package mo, papantayan kung ano yung makukuhang package. Okay? Next is, yung next problem ng mga karamihan is walang emergency fund or walang savings. So yung solution ni Ascendra when it comes to that is expansion account through Turbo. So Turbo means triple unified recurring bonus. So etong triple unified recurring bonus, this means unified binary, unified unilevel, and unified override. Sige, isa-isahin natin para maintindihan nyo. So ito, example, visual. So kanwari ikaw yan, you became a partner of Ascendra and you got the executive package. Na may tinulungan kang tao, dalawa, si Jurgen and si J-Lim. They also got executive each. Now, magkakaroon ka dyan ng direct referral bonus na 40,000 each. 40,000 mula kay Jurgen and 40,000 mula kay J-Lim. Now, for each executive package, may katumbas yan ng binary value. Type mo naman dyan binary. Okay, so for executive, may 10,000 binary and for J-Lim, meron rin siyang 10,000 binary. And yung binary value na yan is magmamatch. Doon siya matatawag na unified binary. So yung on top of the direct referral bonus that you will have, magkakaroon ka pa ng unified binary. So yung maging total income mo for only 2 people is 90,000 pesos. Pwede na ba? So ito, just a safety net of the company, meron tayong tinatawag na rank BV cap. So if ever you're an associate and you get an executive, you will only get 600 BV. And builder, if you get an executive, you will only get 1,000. Pero if you're an executive, you will get the whole 10,000 binary value. Seems fair enough ba? So ito, ano lang talaga para sa safety net ng company, para maging sustainable siya. Ayan, so next one is, kunwari nakakuha ka pa ng 2 tao. Si Ces, kumuha rin ng executive, and si Miko. Now, according to our structure, malalagay mo lang sila sa pinaka-external, sa pinaka-left and right. So, tawag dito spillover. So, if galing sa'yo yan, spinil over mo sa ilalim ni Jurgen. And when it comes to the other side, nakuha mo si Miko, spill over yan sa ilalim ni J-Lim. And makukuha mo is another 40,000 each dahil they are executives. So 40,000 from Ces and 40,000 from Miko as direct referral bonus. Ngayon, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na another safety net of the company, meron tayong tinatawag na external encoding. You can only put people in the far left and far right. Pinakasagad. And on top of the direct referral bonus na makukuha mo sa kanila, another binary value na 10,000 pesos. So another 90,000 to. Now, sabihin natin na si J-Lim, nakuha niya si Tin. Nilagay niya sa left side niya. Hindi na galing sa'yo to galing na kay J-Lim. Ngayon, tingnan natin sa POV ni J-Lim. May back siya. Makakakuha siya ng 40,000 na direct referral bonus mula kay Tin. And magkakaroon ng 10,000 na binary value, unified binary match. So, saan galing yung other 10,000? Then again, ulitin ko, ikaw nilagay mo yung spinil over mo si Miko sa ilalim ng right ni Jaylim. Now, may waiting na siya na 10,000 binary value doon. Wala na siyang ginawa. Now, all he needs to do is to match that sa kabila. Now, nung nakuha niya si Tin, on top of the 40,000 pesos direct referral bonus na nakuha niya, nakakuha pa siya ng additional 10,000. So ikaw, dahil Jaylim, Tin, and Miko are under your sales force, umakyat sa yung binary value ni Tin. So kahit na hindi ikaw yung hindi na ikaw yung nakakuha kay Tin, meron ka pa rin tinatawag na waiting binary value. And that waiting binary value is may instant match payout sa products, not just sa packages but also sa products. So ayan, real time nagma-match yan through our portal. So ayan, ito papakita lang namin na yung maximum income when it comes to Ascendra, weekly and monthly. Kung if you're going to check yung executive, yung pinaka maximum income na makuha mo when it comes to binary lang is 750,000. And monthly is 3 million. This is on top of the essentials na account mo. So, etong 750,000, this is over and beyond dun sa pagbenta mo ng products and enrollment packages. So, for example, ito. Sa left mo, merong 1 million waiting binary value. Now, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, nagkaroon ng 750,000 kay Jaylim. Yan, magmamatch yan. So makakaroon ka ng 750,000 unified binary income. Tapos nung dumating yung Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, meron ka pa ring waiting na 250,000. Ngayon, si Jaylim nagkaroon ka ulit ng 50,000 na binary value sa right. Hindi yan magmamatch. This is also one of the safety nets ng company para of course it will be sustainable. Ayan, so next cycle magsa-start siya and yung 200,000 na natira is may tinatawag tayong strong leg retention, meaning walang flush out. Magsistay yan dyan kahit gaano pa katagal. Yan. Next is yung tinatawag natin na unified unilevel. Type mo naman dyan unilevel. Yan, kopyahin nyo na lang, bawal wrong spelling So ito, I'll just make this quick. Basically, for every package or every product that you will sell, meron tayong tinatawag na unilevel value. It's not just yours, but also yung sa Salesforce mo. So here, yung first layer ng Salesforce mo, yung mga nakuha mo talaga, sila yung mga first level mo. Second level is yung direct ng direct mo. And up to the 10th level, you will have unilevel income. So, ayan, for example na lang natin. First scenario, sa whole organization mo, sa whole Salesforce mo, meron kang 100 executive packages. 100 times 3,000 unilevel value, this is equivalent to 300,000 unilevel. Tas 10% nun, yun yung unified, you will get 30,000 pesos additional. Pangalawa, when it comes to accident insurance, when your whole organization sells 1,000 na basic accident insurance, that's equivalent to 180,000 na unilevel value and magkakaroon ka ng 18,000 unilevel income. This is additional. And when it comes to override, ito check natin yung executive, you will get 10%. Okay? Additional 10% sa unilevel and override ng mga Salesforce mo. So here, yung mga tao na natulungan mo, syempre wala ka namang gagawin kundi tulungan rin sila, di ba? So if tinulungan mo sila kumita, kikita ka rin. So here sa Ascendra, tulungan lang talaga. Ayan, so ito pinapakita lang na kung yung mga Salesforce mo may 100,000 sila na kita when it comes to unified binary, may 10% ka doon. Okay? So tinulungan mo na sila, tinulungan mo rin sarili mo. Next is when it comes to unilevel, you will also get 10% of that. Ayan. So yung iba pa yung override when it comes to binary, iba rin yung override when it comes to unilevel. So, yung pinaka-total na override income mo is 60,000. So ito, ipakita lang natin na nag-work sila sabay-sabay. Yung una, yung binary, pangalawa, unilevel, and last yung override. So doon muna tayo sa binary. So, for example, you have 80 total executives sa left mo. And also, 80 total executives sa right. Now, meron tayong 80 pairs times 10,000 binary value, that's 800,000. So, that's 800,000 cash sa'yo na. Next is yung unified unilevel. 160 executives total, 2020, okay? Times 3,000 unilevel value, this is equivalent to 480,000 unilevel. Times 10%, you will get 48,000 income. And next is yung unified override income. So again, dalawa to. When it comes to binary, kanwari lahat sila may 200,000 na unified binary, you will get 10% ng lahat niyan. So you will get 20,000. Times 4 directs, 80,000 total binary override. Iba pa yung sa unilevel. When it comes to unilevel, yung equivalent ng 20 na yan is 12,000 unified unilevel. Now, times 10%, you will get 1,200 income times 4 directs. You get 4,800 unilevel income. So, pinagsama mo yung override and yung binary override and yung unilevel override, you get a total of 84,800. So, ito medyo i-digest pero bear with me kasi ito medyo talaga siya technical. And lastly, ito nandito patapos na tayo. Yung last problem which is inuuna yung enjoyment kaysa sa needs. So, yung solution naman ni Ascendra dyan is yung tinatawag natin lifestyle fund. Ayan. So, ito, si Ascendra, mag-assist ka lang ng sales. You just need to perform. Magbenta ka lang ng produkto. Bibigyan ka nila ng extra na money pang gastos, pang waldas, pang luho mo. So, ako, like na-mention ng host natin kanina, I'm one of the lucky few na naka-reach ng gadget incentive natin. And on top of the income na kinita ko through Essential and through expansion, binigyan pa nila ako ng 25,000 na pang gastos. Okay? So, ayan, meron tayong shopping incentive for 20,000 pesos. Gadget, 25,000. Travel, ito, all expense paid. I think for last week lang ato or last week, kakagaling lang ng partners natin galing sa Shanghai. And sobrang ganda ng experience natin. Ang daming nagkwento. Meron pa yung sa roller coaster, nakapikit na lang daw siya. And ito, all expense paid. From the accommodation to the plane, lahat yan, sagot ni Ascendra. And next is yung car. So here naman sa car, magkakit ka lang ng sales sa company. The company will give you 200,000 pesos additional. So meron tayong partners na naka-reach na to. Dating employee, na-reach niya lang. Hindi niya man sinasadya. 200,000 binigay ni kumpanya. And sa susunod, once we unlock our partnership ranks, meron rin luxury car and even property. So ayan, abangan nyo yan. Ayan. So, ayun na. Isa-isa na natin. So, pinakauna, hindi sapat ang financial account. Meron tayong solusyon dyan, which is nga palakin yung cash flow. Pangalawa, walang emergency savings, walang emergency fund. Yung solution ni Ascendra is yung tinatawag natin na turbo or yung expansion account. And lastly, mas inuuna yung enjoyment kaysa sa needs. Yung solution ni Ascendra is sila magbibigay ng panluho mo. Di mo na kailangan na sikasuhin yan. So, yun. So, we're on the last part na. Unti na lang to, guys. Yung mga gutom dyan, unti na lang. Ito na. So, the last part is innovation. So, ito yung mga alas ni Ascendra. The aces of Ascendra. Ito yung pinaka-market differentiation, yung pinaka-value proposition niya when it comes to the industry. So, sa isayin natin, una, this is the first AI-powered company. Okay? So, Ascendra, AI is powered by AI, artificial intelligence. So, ito, we are the first AI-powered company. AI in terms of data analytics, hindi yung AI na bigla kang magtra-transform. So ibang AI 'yon. Itong artificial intelligence natin, this is useful when it comes to analyzing data sa business. You can also utilize this when it comes to managing your team. And on Feb 8, kung grand launching na natin, i-release na ni Ascendra yung tinatawag natin na AI chatbot. So, if familiar kayo sa ChatGPT, okay, magkakaroon tayo ng sarili nating ChatGPT sa portal. Now, if you're a partner of Ascendra, you'll have access to that. So, sabihin natin, wala ka naintindihan sa presentation kanina. What is binary? Si Ascendra na, si AI na natin yung mag-i-explain sa'yo. Okay? So, ito, sobrang excited ng karamihan dito. Maraming nag-aabang dito. Next is creating your own brand. So, ito si Ascendra. When it comes to becoming a partner of the company, meron tayong tinatawag na enterprise building. So, this means if ever na you reach a certain rank, sabihin natin brand partner, si Ascendra, ibebenta yung produkto mo. Ha? Anong produkto ko? Wala akong produkto. So, ganito kasi yan. Once na-reach mo yung brand partner, sasabihin ni Ascendra, oy, sabihin natin na example tayo. Kunwari ito si Dai. Dai, ano yung gusto mong produkto? Gusto ko po ng sabon na naging glow in the dark ka. So, okay, bigay mo yung idea mo kay Ascendra. Ngayon si Ascendra, siya yung magpapa-manufacture ng produkto mo. Siya yung magpapa-register, siya yung magli-legalize. Tapos ipapabenta sa Salesforce mo. And yung kita is 50-50 kayo. Wala kang nang nilabas na kapital. Okay? Kumita ka pa. So ito, this is maraming nakaabang dito. Kasi dalawa yan eh. Either may product ko or wala kang product. If wala kang product, yun, na-mention ko kanina, yung Ascendra na bahala sa lahat. And all you need to do is to provide the idea. And pangalawa, if you have a product, pwede mo i-inject yung product mo. Kasi karamihan ng mga business owners ngayon, ang gaganda ng produkto. Okay? Yung problema, ang hirap ibenta dahil they don't have the right manpower to do it. Now with Ascendra, with your sales force that you're going to build, sila na mag-hire sell para sa'yo. And 50-50 kayo ng kita ni Ascendra doon. Ganda ba? Ayan. So type nyo naman dyan, ACE. ACE. Ayan. So, ito last is yung shared profit. If ever na maka-reach kayo ng certain rank sa Ascendra, yung legacy partner na tinatawag, okay, you will have a shared profit. Shared profit in terms of stock. Okay? May tinatawag kasi tayo na total sales ng company. Now, if you reach a certain rank, bibigyan ka nila ng profit doon. Wala ka nang kailangan gawin. All you need to do is perform and reach yung legacy partner natin.